Kajagoogoo Creepy Crawlers. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for subscribing and watching my videos and liking my videos. It means very, very much to me. I'm still working on the latest Manson family location, Gypsy's Waterfall, and I hope to have that out soon. I'd like to get more I'd like to be able to get more videos out. One, I'm having trouble finding locations. And two, I've been going through a very, very, what do you call it? Hard battle with bipolar depression lately. I just realized today that I haven't showered in a week. I've been sleeping a whole lot. Starting to come out of that cycle. Also, I take care of my parents a lot. My mom has health issues as well as my father, so kind of a caregiver there, that's the word. But I'll be back in action soon, so keep watching and stay creepy.